Hello everyone, my name is Christian Kaisi, and in this video I'll be working on the circuit for the week for the lab 3 of the computer programming. So our circuit will be consist of four LEDs, so two reds and one yellow and one blue, and it's going to consist also of a step motor and a push button. So when a push button is pressed for the first time, the first LED will turn on, and the step motor will be on and will be powered. And if I press the button for the second time, the second LED will be on, and the step motor will be off. So when I will be power off, and when I press the button for the third time, the LED will be on. The third LED will be on, and the step motor will be pulsing. So it's gonna go like zzz, zzz, zzz. And then when I turn off the when I press the fourth button, so the step motor will start going constant and constantly, and the fourth light will be on. And when I press the push button for the fifth time, so all the LEDs will be off, and the step motor will be power off as well. So this is what we'll be building. So this is the circuit. So here is the circuit that we'll be building, that I draw it on a piece of paper. So here it is. So here you can see we have our step motor. Then we have our LEDs. We have some resistor here, and we have our power supply. So this is how it goes. So we have our power supply here, then we have a push button here, and the resistor. Then we have our first LED, second LED, third LED, and fourth LED, and our step motor. So all are connected in parallel. Okay? So we're gonna need like a 250 ohms resistor for each LED, and 100 ohm for the step motor, and another 100 ohm for the push button. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start building the circuit. So our circuit will be consist of a step motor, right? Step motor, for LEDs, red, yellow, red, and blue. So we have a push button, breadboard, and our power supply, and some resistors. Okay. And I have my resistor here. So I'm gonna go ahead and start building. So here is the circuit that I'll be building. So we have our power supply here, push button, a 100 ohm resistor, a 250 ohm resistor, then our first LED, second LED with a 250 ohm resistor. We have our third LED with a 250 ohm resistor, the fourth LED with 250 ohm resistor, and the step motor, which will have a 100 ohm resistor. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and build it up. So before that, here on the first, I'm gonna put the red LED. No, I'm gonna put the blue LED. Then on the second the second LED, I'm gonna pull the red, then the yellow, then the red. So let's go and start. Now I'm gonna begin building the circuit. So let's get started. So now that our circuit is complete, so I'm gonna go ahead and test it. So once I plug it, it's not gonna do anything. So now I just plug the our circuit to the 5 volt. But if I press the button, just the first LED is blinking, so to tell us that our circuit is working properly. But right now we don't see much because we haven't programmed it yet. So we're gonna go ahead and program it and make it work. So I have already written the code, and the only thing that I'm gonna do, just to save time, I'm going to upload the code in the from Arduino, and then see how it behave. And the code, I'm gonna submit it on the on different sheet. So since I already written the code, so I'm just go ahead and upload it in the Arduino, and then see how it behave and see make our circuits work. So I'm just gonna go ahead and plug my circuit to the Arduino. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just gonna select my board here, and now I'm gonna go ahead and verify the code. Yeah, it looks good, and I'm going to upload it. So it's gonna take a few seconds. can see there is a signal that tells us that the upload is done. Now we're going to see how the circuits work. So I'm just going to hold my step motor here. And now if I press the first button, so here I can feel you can see it's working, but it's not turning. But it's not turning as I can feel it. So I'm just gonna press it off. So let me start with the first one, and you can see it's working at first. So our step motor is running. No, it's going on again, it's spinning. And if I press the second button for the second time, you can see our LEDs, the red LED is on, and our step motor stop. You can see it's not going, it's not working, and so it's off. So when I press the third button, the yellow LED is on, and if I spin, you can see it's kind of going a little bit. Just need a little bit of spinning. It's kind of just going, so it's pushing. So it's pushing. And if I go to the fourth button, sorry, just jump, fourth button, and you can see it's spinning. So this is the fourth press, spinning. And if I press the last press, everything stop. So I'm gonna go ahead. So if I hold it, it's kind of going straight. So I'm just gonna go one, bit,